Hello students, today we will study the question number 3 of exercise 7.1. This is the topic of standard 10 chapter number 7 coordinate geometry. So now we know that how we can use the distance formula, right, that we have studied. So based on the distance formula, now we have to study how we can solve the question number 3. The question is determine if the points 1, 5, 2, 3 and -2, -11 are collinear. So here 3 points we have given. So let give it the name. First point is P, it has a coordinate 1, 5. Second point Q with coordinate 2, 3. And third point is R with coordinate -2, -11. Here we have to check whether all the 3 points are collinear. Collinear means if the 3 points are on the same line, then the 3 points are called the collinear. That you know now very well. So first of all, what we have to do, find out the distance between the point PQ, then we will find the distance between the QR, then we find the distance between P and R. Right? So let's first of all find out the distance PQ. So PQ is equals to under root x1 minus x2, that is 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2 square. Now there is no need to write out the formula because the formula now we know very well. Okay, so x1 minus x2, that is 1 minus 2 whole square plus y1 minus y2, that is 5 minus 3 whole square. Okay, so 1 minus 2 is what? Minus 1. Minus 1 square, that is plus 1. Here 5 minus 3, that is 2, and 2 square is 4. So here we get under root 5. An approximate value of under root 5 is 2.24. It is not the exact value because root 5 is irrational number, right? So here it is not stop. Its decimal expansion does not stop. That is why it is approx value we have take. Root 5 is equals to 2.24. Now find the distance QR. QR is equals to what? Q and R. So 2 minus of minus 2 whole square plus 3 minus of minus 11 whole square. See, do not confuse here again because one minus sign is already there in this formula, and one minus sign is of this coordinate. So minus 2 is the value of coordinate, minus 11 is the value of coordinate. So we have to put both the minus values, right? So here what will happen? 2 minus minus plus 2 plus 2 4, 4 square. 3 minus minus plus 11, 3 plus 11 is 14, 14 square. So 4 square is 16, 14 square is 196. By adding both this, we get the under root 212, and the approx value of 212 is 14.56. Now find the value of RP, third point and first point, RP. So RP is equals to minus 2 minus 1, or we can also take PR because we know that x1 minus x2 square is equal to x1 minus x2 square. So 1 minus of minus 2, minus minus plus. So 1 plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus of minus 11. That means 5 plus 11. That is 5 plus 11 square. So here we get 2 plus 1, 3. 3 square is 9. 11 plus 5, 16. 16 square is 256. By adding this, we get the under root 265. And the approx value of 265 is 16.28. Now we have all the distance PQ, QR and RP. Now think, if all the 3 points are collinear, then the addition of any 2 will be equal to the third distance. The distance of any 2 if we add, then we got the equal to the third distance. So here first of all identify the highest value. PQ is 2.24, QR is 14.56 and RP is 16.28. So this is the highest value, right? So we can say that the P and R points are the end points and Q point is in between P and R. So let us now check if PQ plus QR becomes RP. See, this is 2.24, this is 14.56. So when we add both this, what we will get? We get the value that is 6 plus 4, 0, 5 plus 2, 7, and the carry we have previously taken, that is 5, 6, 7, 8. And here 14 plus 2, that is 16. 16 plus 8. And here we get 16.28. So here PQ plus QR is not equal to RP. That means the distance does not match. If all the 3 points are collinear, then PQ plus QR must be equal to PR. But it is not happen here. So these 3 points PQ and R are not collinear. Okay? Understand? Okay. Okay. Let us now study question number 4. And what is the question? Question here is, check whether 5 minus 2, 6, 4, 7 minus 2 are the vertices of an isosceles triangle. So here also we have here the 3 points. Let us give it the name. Point A has a coordinate 5 minus 2, B has a coordinate 6, 4, and C has a coordinate 7 minus 2. What we have to check? All the 3 points are form an isosceles triangle or not. That we have to find out. So let us first of all find out the distance between all the points AB, BC and AC. So by finding the AB, we have to put the coordinates of A and B, that is under root 5 minus 6 whole square minus 2 minus 4 whole square. 5 minus 6 is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 square is 36. So here we get the value under root 37. We cannot find out the square root of under root 37. Yes, we can find out the approximate value, but no need to find out. Okay. Now BC. BC means we have to consider these 2 points. 6 minus 7 whole square plus 4 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. 4 plus 2 square. So 6 minus 7 is minus 1, minus 1 square is plus 1. And 4 plus 2 is what? 6. 6 square is 36. So here we get the value under root 37. Now CA. 7 minus 5 whole square plus minus 2 minus of minus 2, that is plus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 whole square. So 7 minus 5 is what? 2. 2 square is 4. Minus 2 plus 2 is 0. And 0 square is 0. So under root 4 we get, and this under root 4 is equals to 2. Now here we have all the 3 values of AB, BC and CA. Can you notice one thing? AB is equals to under root 37. BC is also equal to under root 37. And AC is what? 2. So first of all, if we have given the 3 points, we have to consider all the 3 points are collinear or not. If the 3 points are collinear, then they do not form the triangle, right? So here addition of any 2 is not equal to the third side, because when we add root 37, it is not equal to 2. Root 37 plus 2 is not equal to root 37. That is why all the 3 points are not collinear. So they are not collinear, that means they can form a triangle. So here if we put all the points in this manner, A, B and C, what the distance AB we get? AB is under root 37, BC is also under root 37, and AC we get here is 2. So can you say that this is an isosceles triangle? Yes, because in isosceles triangle 2 sides are equal, right? So here only 2 sides are equal. So this is an isosceles triangle. We can say that A, B and C, that means the point we have given form an isosceles triangle. We can also check this by plotting this point on the graph paper. Okay, so what will happen if third side also we get equal to root 37, then all the 3 sides becomes equal and this triangle becomes the equilateral triangle. But this is not become in this case. Okay, so here 2 sides are equal, so this triangle is an isosceles triangle, right? So in this way we can solve this type of questions by finding the distance. Okay, one formula we have to use, that is the distance formula, right? Okay, so this is all about this lecture. Thank you.